Jaguar E-Type OTS. This is a 3.8 liter car. This was restored a few years ago, and it had started to fail, and along with the fact that it was never fitted together well the first time. So Ryan is in the process of assembling everything relevant to the center of the car at the moment. So the intersections of the doors, the windscreens, the door glass, and the convertible top. All these variables have to come together and meet where they're supposed to. At the core of it, this car sustained some damage years ago, and something fell on it, apparently when it was being stored in a barn. That was repaired, but not correctly. So Ryan is resetting the car to reestablish the correct alignment and measurements. After this part of the tub is established, he will mount the bonnet and start fitting it to the tub.